parts. We don't like them scattered everywhere, so we decided, well, we had an extra bed, so we decided, well, let's put it on top of the other bed and basically make a pickup bed camper, if you will, and then put all the extra parts, not necessarily junk parts, but good parts in there, so then we can pull the truck out of the way of the shop and clean all the parts, so then the parts don't have a risk of being damaged and stuff like that. So we will explain that in the video, but the plan is basically to just clean up around the shop so that it's not scattered everywhere. So with that, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so there was a bunch of stuff in the old bed off of Winston's black pickup. So we are taking the bed that was just sitting back here with this stuff in it, and we're hopefully, this is the plan anyway, to put that bed upside down on top of this bed. We put these in there, hopefully that'll work. And then we'll put, he's already got some stuff in there, then we'll put like the stuff that it was in over there and some stuff like the fender. I think this is the plan, that we've taken off this truck and stuff, and we're gonna put it in there. So we're kind of building a pickup bed camper, so to speak. So yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, so believe it or not, we got her on there. I think Winston just needs to get a sleeping bag, and this would be his little tent. Even got, what do they call them, like a skylight or a sunroof. Some extra air vintage. So yeah, got it on there. So now we've got the bed on top of a bed action going on. Alright guys, so the old First Gen is back moving. Not on the road, but it has a little help from the other one. But we got a door up here, and then the bed, as I showed you guys. So we're dragging it back here out of the way. Swing over here and hit some ruts. You guys can see the suspension flex there. Hopefully nothing falls out of the back. There's what the bed looks like. There's even some crap on top. Oh, better watch the road here. So yeah, she's back moving, not under her own power obviously, but we got her tore apart, and yeah, so we are going, and so now this thing's, I think, tore apart. So I think, as Winston said, if you guys have any need for parts, he's got them, so just contact him. You know guys, I got to doing a little thinking. I'm the first one under our ownership to drive this thing. So, well, I guess Winston did back it on the trailer being pulled, but, you know, forward, I'm the first one to drive this thing. So, pretty privileged here. I think we are going to cross a ditch up here. I don't think it's too deep, but we will see. We'll show you guys the ditch crossing. Hopefully we don't bottom out. I don't think we will. It's not too deep, but the lower part it is. Hopefully you guys can see this. You can see his pickup's kind of rocking a little bit. Whoa. The brakes actually surprisingly do work on this thing. And there's the chain. There's the ditch down here. Hopefully it goes fairly easy across here. So now I'm holding the brake for him. He has no idea I'm holding the brake. Now I'm not actually. Oh, there we go. Oh, he just about got it. Now you gotta hold the brake. You gotta hold the brake. I'm not holding the brake anymore. That's just the kind of crap you gotta do to your sibling. He thinks this thing pulled really hard out of the ditch. And I guess it kinda did, but I held the brakes. But we won't tell him that, he'll never know. Unless he watches the video as he's editing it. And yes, so there you guys go. Now we're just rolling back through the field here. Alright guys, so hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Got the shop cleaned up, got her pulled back out of the way. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little humorous part about me holding the brake. I did. I thought that was kind of funny. Winston didn't know what happened. He thought his half ton turned into 3 ton. if they even make such a thing. But anyway, I did hold the brake. Yes, it was in humor. Yes, it was funny. And would I do it again? Absolutely. So, well, I guess with that, stay tuned. More parts of this video are coming. The parts that we took off that truck and stuff like that, you guys will want to stay tuned for the next video that's coming out. It should be awesome. So, if you would, drop a comment. If you guys have any questions, we're happy to answer. A like and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.